Luoyang boat is located in the high-tech development zone of Luoyang City. It is an enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing and sales of intelligent automatic welding and cutting equipment. The company has passed GBT 19001:2016 ISO 9001:2015 quality management system certification and EUCE certification, relying on the well-developed heavy industry manufacturing and processing base. The company has become an outstanding enterprise in the welding and cutting industry. Its products have spread all over the country and are exported to Europe, America, Southeast Asia and other countries. At present, the company's serialized products include manipulator series, rotator, positioner series, longitudinal circumferential, seam welding series, surfacing welding series, CNC